8 Profitable Food Processing Business Ideas. Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Welcome back to NIIR Project Consultancy Services, where we turn dreams into industries. Today, we are diving into the world of food manufacturing, exploring the potential in 8 amazing business ideas. If you are an aspiring entrepreneur, stick around because we're about to unfold the secrets to success. Let's get started. Choosing the right business. First of all, why choose the food industry? It's simple. Everyone has to eat. In this fast-paced world, ease of use is critical. Our assortment of enterprises, spanning from cake gel to khansari sugar, meets a wide spectrum of customer requirements, guaranteeing a market perpetually yearning for more. Market demand and trends. Let's talk about market demand now. Research shows that the use of novel food products is on the rise. The demand is rising, whether it is from people who are health conscious selecting soy-based meat or from snack lovers going for potato chips. It's a market that is waiting to be taken over, not just a business. Financial structure and investment. We know how intimidating the financial side may be, especially for entrepreneurs. But do not worry. From beginning costs to ongoing expenses, our thorough project reports included everything. You can invest in raw materials, machinery, and marketing with confidence when you have a strong financial framework, which paves the way for future success. Machinery and technology. In relation to machinery, our companies use state-of-the-art technology. We have everything, from sophisticated cake gel mixing devices to highly effective atta chakki units. Investing in the appropriate instruments guarantees market-leading quality and productivity. Break-even point and rate of return. Let's now discuss the figures you have been waiting for. The break-even point and rate of return for every company are outlined in our thorough research. It's important to thrive rather than merely get started. You'll be able to tell when the money is coming in thanks to our insights. Investing business ideas. Cake gel. Start your adventure in the confectionery industry by making cake gel. Imagine discovering the secret ingredient that elevates cakes, adding more moisture and delicious flavor. Your formula for success may be the cake gel business, given the growing market for superior baking supplies. Mango fruit bar. Now for something tasty and cool, mango fruit bars. In addition to providing a tasty treat, opening a mango fruit bar production facility will allow you to take advantage of the expanding health-conscious market. Mango pickles. Mango pickles are the ideal combination of sour and spicy to liven up any situation. Establishing a mango pickle company can be a tasty way to get started in the pickling and preserving industry. Soybean meat. With soybean meat, change to a plant-based revolution. Entering the soy-based meat market is a commitment to a sustainable and healthful future, not merely an economic endeavor. Potato chips. Who doesn't enjoy a crisp bite? Making potato chips is a classic business concept that will always be in vogue and provide customers with happy and fulfilling times. Atta chakki. Examine atta chakki, or flour milling, a household essential. Creating an atta chakki firm might be a pillar of your entrepreneurial journey, satisfying the growing market for wholesome and superior flour. Curry powder. Manufacturers of curry powder literally spice up the situation. As international cuisines gain popularity, producing and delivering high-quality curry powder can open up a world of options for your business. Khansari sugar. Finally, explore the confectionery industry of Khansari sugar. In light of customers' growing awareness of the sugar they consume, providing a healthier option can be profitable as well as morally ethical. Conclusion: there you have it, the top 8 manufacturing business ideas in the food products industry. Now, why should you, as an entrepreneur, consider diving into these ventures? Well, not only do these businesses align with current market trends, but they also offer the opportunity to meet the ever-growing demands of consumers. Now, why should you, as an entrepreneur, consider diving into these ventures? Well, not only do these businesses align with current market trends, but they also offer the opportunity to meet the ever-growing demands of consumers. So, if you're ready to turn your dreams into reality, hit that like button, share this video with fellow entrepreneurs, and let us know in the comments which business idea resonates with you the most. Remember, success favors the bold. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay inspired, stay entrepreneurial.